I've already done one part of Danessa Myricks' incredible talk at Afrotech. I just wanted to cover a bit that is specific to founders. So she shared some incredible tips for founders. Number one, if you have a business idea and you're working on it and you're in a job, do not feel the pressure to leave your job. Keep your job to ensure as much financial stability as possible. If you're clear about the numbers that you need to help your life to continue, then you can be creative, you can be forward-looking, and you wouldn't be too focused on trying to figure out the financial part of your business. Speaking of finances, she said the first person that you should hire is someone who knows and understands numbers well and who is focused on profitability. Particularly if you're a creative founder, it's so easy to follow your gut, follow your instinct, do things that just bring you joy without thinking about the numbers and how those figures are stacking up. The third thing that she talked about was delegation, being able to know which bits of your business you can let go and hand over to other people, and the bits that you should hang on to is key. I'm going to point everyone to an amazing article by Molly Graham. It's called Letting Go of Your Legos. A lot of it is for a startup context, but I think a lot of the ideas in that article are applicable across the board. Fourth thing that she talked about was being obsessive about learning. Guys, you'll notice a trend. So many of the founders or the incredible people who've been on stage at Afrotech have all talked about learning. But with Danessa, the truth is in her actions. I can tell you for a fact that Danessa not only came to speak at Afrotech, but she was seated in the audience of other conversations, asking questions, learning, and just trying to absorb it all.
Forever a student. In the office, people come into my office early morning, I'm reading something. Before I go to bed, I'm learning something. I think I'm just forever a student. That's a big part of it too, because you don't know what you don't know. You don't know what's out there for you unless you're exploring and looking for it. So a lot of that drives me forward. I have some ideas right now after being here for these 2 days.
Even someone who has built a global business that is a high seller in Sephora is still finding the time to sit down and learn. I think that's a lesson for all of us, that we need to be learning more obsessively than we currently are. Finally, she talked about resilience and just believing in yourself. In those moments when you start to doubt yourself, when you think that you're not capable of learning something new or doing something different, remember that you're enough and you have it in you. It was such an inspiring talk. I loved Danessa's very practical tips, so I thought I'd hop on here and share these with you.